Good job, Jeremy. Can you go all the way down the street? Wow, Gabriel, that was a good job. Did you teach him how to do that?
We were going down the abandoned house driveway, and we wanted to give a try, and I told him he can try, and then I just give him a push.
Cool. Jeremy, can you come back?
Jeremy!
Can you turn around? Oh. I guess this means you get to get a bike now, huh?
Yep. I earned the privilege of getting a bike.